Welcome back to Beautyistic. Now, what if I told you that one product could give you both a perfect flush on your cheeks and a subtle, long-lasting tint on your lips without being heavy or sticky? That's exactly what we're talking about today with Milk Makeup's Cooling Water Jelly Tint in the shade Chill, a product that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's dive right into the basics. Milk Makeup's Cooling Water Jelly Tint is a 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint designed to deliver a luminous, fresh look that can be built up for more intensity. Packed with vegan collagen, seawater, and aloe, this product promises hydration and a cooling effect as you wear it. It's a stick-form product that's easy to apply, making it a great option for on-the-go or minimalist makeup routines. What's interesting about this tint is its unique formulation. Vegan collagen helps support your skin's elasticity, while aloe soothes and hydrates, and seawater adds a refreshing burst. These ingredients aren't just for show, they actually serve to nourish your skin, making this tint not only a beauty product, but also a mini skincare treat. In terms of texture, this jelly tint has a nice smooth consistency. It glides effortlessly over your lips and cheeks, blending seamlessly without leaving any patchy spots. I applied it in the morning and wore it throughout the day, and I was impressed with how well it stayed put. Even after a busy day, the color remained vibrant on my lips and cheeks, with no fading or dryness. Now, of course, every product has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's talk about the pros first. The cooling sensation is honestly refreshing and perfect for warmer days or anyone looking to add a burst of hydration to their routine. The Buildable formula is a standout feature. Whether you want a subtle tint or a deeper flush, you can layer it to your desired intensity without it feeling heavy. It's incredibly easy to apply, especially for those of us who love a quick and simple beauty routine. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. The product's finish is luminous, which is great for that dewy, natural look, but it may not be the best fit for those who prefer matte textures, especially on the lips. The price point might be on the higher end for some, so it's worth weighing whether it aligns with your beauty budget. When it comes to value for money, it's clear that Milk Makeup has crafted a product that combines both functionality and skincare benefits. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the quality and hydration it offers may justify the price for those looking for a versatile and nourishing tint. In terms of build quality, the stick itself is solid, easy to twist and apply, with packaging that's compact enough to fit in any makeup bag. I've had no issues with it, and it hasn't dried out or broken down over time, which is a bonus for anyone who's prone to forgetting to close the cap properly. For those considering alternatives, there are definitely more affordable tints out there. However, if you're looking for a product with added skincare benefits like aloe and seawater, this one really stands out. Similar products might offer comparable color payoff, but this one has that extra hydration kick that sets it apart. As for customer service, I haven't had any direct experience with Milk Makeup's support team, but the brand is generally known for being responsive to customer inquiries and concerns. It's also worth noting that Milk Makeup has a strong reputation for cruelty-free and vegan formulations, so it's a brand you can feel good about supporting. If you've used this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences with this lip and cheek tint. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Your support helps us continue sharing insights just like this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.